Hey guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. It's day 16. We're still in Moab, Utah, and we're heading to a waterfall or like a natural pool and all that. Our new friends over here are gonna show us, show us the way and all that. We're like, you already see the road is getting rough already, but should be a great waterfall, a nice big natural pool and all that, and maybe some cliff jumping. So I'll take you guys along the ride like we always do and show you guys Moab, Utah. See ya. So we're at the trailhead right now. We're actually heading into the lake. It looks like it's gonna storm. So hopefully it doesn't storm, but we'll find out. The radar says it doesn't. Those clouds don't look like, it looks like it's gonna rain and crazy. But we're gonna enjoy the hike anyways.
So they let you tote that record player down there, huh? Singing. Yeah. That's the beauty of music.
Okay, we made it to the lake. I already went for a swim downstream, but we'll forget about that. But you can see right behind me is the waterfall and the natural pool. It's actually pretty nice. And it goes pretty deep. We're gonna go in a little bit and all that. But it's a little windy here, like I said, the storm. But it hasn't rained yet, thankfully. But yeah, we're gonna go for a nice swim and all that, enjoy the water, and maybe I'll do a little bit of cliff jumping.